Hello, today we have some breaking news. DALL-E Mini has been announced. This is not an official version of DALL-E from OpenAI. This is an attempt to replicate it at a smaller scale by Boris Dama and a few other open source distributed collaborators. The model is called DALL-E Mini, and if you don't know, DALL-E is this model by OpenAI, which they haven't released yet. Which is capable of, you can give it these text descriptions and it can generate images like this level quality. You can see here an armchair in the shape of an avocado. This was like the most famous image generation. I would say this one right here is my favorite one. And so this project is attempting to replicate that. And I want to give a shout out to Boris and everybody involved in that project. They spent a few months on it. I've sort of paid attention on Twitter and I believe on Discord as well, just to hear updates. And this is, again, just another fun multimodal AI text-to-image model that you can play around with. So this was the tweet where he announced it. If you click on this link, I'm going to put all the links in the description below. It will take you to Hugging Face, where you can actually go ahead and try it. So now I'm going to go ahead and enter the classic an armchair in the shape of an avocado. I'm going to hit enter. It's starting to generate the predictions. Now, the cool thing about this multimodal model is I would say it's actually pretty decently fast compared to other multimodal image models. And the other cool thing about it is it generates multiple versions for you at once. So it's not just one image at a time. It gives you different options. So it'll probably just be another minute or so. I may edit it here and there so you guys don't have to keep waiting for it to finish loading. Okay, so these are the generations it came up with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It gave us 8 different options. An armchair in the shape of an avocado. This is a pretty cool text description. And again, so this is OpenAI's version right here, right? And this is DALL-E Mini's version. It generated 8 for us. I think my favorite is probably this one or this one so far. I can go back up and edit it. So I'm gonna do like a purple sky with a green sun. And I'm also gonna add in some other descriptions, which are very popular in the community, like hyper-realistic, Unreal Engine, which might make it look 3D, as well as trending on ArtStation, which sort of will encourage the model to make it look as if it's at the top of a website called ArtStation. So let me go ahead and hit enter. I accidentally put a period there, but we'll see what it comes up with. And there you go. It has generated a few different options. These ones are unfortunately not as accurate as I would have liked. Like the green sun is missing, but they're still not bad. And I forgot to mention, you can sort of click on each one and see an expanded view of the image. So anyways, that is DALL-E Mini. I encourage you guys to play around with it. I'm going to put the links in the description below. Feel free to tweet at me at bakztfuture if you come up with some interesting results from DALL-E Mini, and I'll be happy to retweet it. And I'm also thinking to do a roundup video in the future of just cool AI-based generations people are making, either with DALL-E Mini or other models. That's probably going to be an upcoming video. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.